This is a cell membrane. In prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, there is a boundary wall of protoplasm called plasma membrane, which controls the passage of different types of substances through it. Cell membrane is the most important part of the protoplasm. It separates the internal part of the cell from the extracellular region. It maintains the fluidity and rigidity of the cells. Plasma membrane is involved in a variety of cellular processes such as adhesion, ion conductivity, and cell signaling. The cell obtains nutrients from the outer environment through cell membrane. Cell membrane generate ionic gradients essential for the nervous and muscular activities. It also secretes the useful substances and excretes the waste substances. Cell membrane maintain the pH and ionic concentrations for the enzymatic activities. Mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum are also bounded by plasma membrane. The structure. Singer and Nicholson proposed fluid mosaic model for cell membrane. It contains phospholipid bilayer and protein molecules are embedded in phospholipid. Phospholipid bilayer is about the 7 nanometer thick. Protein molecules are scattered throughout the cell membrane. Cell membrane is categorized into lipid part and protein part. Lipid part is about 20% to 40% in composition of the cell membrane. The major constituent of the lipid part is phospholipid, which has hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. In phospholipid bilayer, the two layers are asymmetric. Their hydrophobic ends are face each other, while the hydrophilic ends appear on both surfaces. Protein part. The protein part of the cell membrane is about 60% to 80%. The two main types of protein are found in plasma membrane: peripheral protein and integral protein. The peripheral protein, they are also called extrinsic protein. They are loosely attached to a cell membrane and can be easily removed. They are attached to the polar surface of the lipid bilayer and interact with the surrounding water because they contain amino acid with hydrophilic side chain. They are only attached to the cell exterior and contain chain of sugar, which are called glycoprotein. Example of peripheral protein are cytochrome C, high potential iron protein, adrenodoxin reductase. These are involved in the electron transport chain. Now the integral protein. Integral proteins are channel proteins, carrier proteins, enzymes, receptor proteins, antigens, linker proteins, etc. Channel protein is the passage of the specific molecule through it. The examples are sodium channel, potassium channels, calcium channels, chloride channels, and lipoproteins. It also called the beta barrel. Beta barrels are used to transport water so quickly. Carrier protein helps to move across through cell membrane. Examples are sodium pump, potassium pump, glucose sodium transporter. Receptor proteins receive signals from other cells. The example are beta adrenergic receptor, acetylcholine receptor, metatropic glutamate receptor, etc. Enzymes. They have enzymatic functions. The example are ADPases, glyceraldehyde 3, oxidoreductase, transferase, hydrolase, etc. Linker proteins. Linker proteins are for to support the cell in shape. It also called integrins, cytoskeleton, and extracellular matrix. CAM, cell adhesion molecules that are involved in the binding of the cells with other cells or with the extracellular matrix. The process is called cell adhesion. CAM helps cells stick together with each other or with the surroundings.